we would like to introduce to you how to tie obi in KHC way with Datejime Sash. Let's get started. Step 1. Take the point of 25 centimeters from one end. Fold it in half and fix it with the pin like this. Step 2. Wrap the obi around the waist. Step 3. Fold the long end in half and remove the pin. Step 4. Tie the sash in front like this. Step 5. Fix the short end with the pin again. Step 6. Treat the long end depending on the ribbon size you want. Step 7. Tuck the center of the obi like a ribbon. Step 8. Remove the pin and roll the short end along the ribbon to fix it. Step 9. Put the end inside the obi. Step 10. Tie it up. Step 11. Turn the obi around the waist clockwise and bring the ribbon to the center of the back. And tie it up. Finally, it's all done! We have more color options of Datejime Sash. You can mix and match your favorite kimono or yukata. Let's find your personal style. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.